How to create 10 reels in 10 minutes. Reels are popping on Instagram right now, and it is the best way to grow your business page, explode your reach, and you need to hop on this. Hi, I'm Ariana. On this channel, we talk about leveraging social media for your business, work-life balance, content creation as a business owner, and much more. Today's video, I'm going to tell you exactly how to create 10 reels in 10 minutes so you can cut down your content creation time, stay consistent on socials, and grow your business page. So I'm sure you know how important reels are. Everyone is loving short form video right now, and it's really easy to make. Not to mention, Instagram is really pushing these. And the reel algorithm is different from the feed post algorithm, meaning people who aren't following you can see anything that you're posting, making it as easy as ever to grow your business page. So the key to creating 10 reels in 10 minutes is essentially batching your content. If you don't know what batching content means, basically it's just creating your content in bulk. What does this look like? Creating 10 reels in 10 minutes in one sitting. This can definitely allow you to create a week's worth of content in just one day, so you'll be good until next week. You can even take it further and create content for an entire month in one day. So the key to batch creating your content is to plan. Pre-planning everything that you need to do, everything that you need to create the content beforehand will definitely cut your creation time down. So the first thing that you're going to do before you create your 10 reels is plan your content. You're going to scroll through Instagram looking for audios, saving them, coming up with ideas of how you can twist it and tweak it to your niche and your business. Think of video ideas and write them down, even if they hit you in the face while you're online at Walmart. You're going to plan everything that you need before you start filming. What are you going to wear? Where are you going to film? Do you need any props? Is there a change of location in any videos? Do you need to practice a transition? I also want to mention that the shelf life of reels and trending audios are a little bit longer than the trending audios and trends on TikTok. Trending audio on Instagram can last and stay trending for up to a week and a half, maybe even longer. So I definitely suggest utilizing this so you can batch create content as far out as you possibly can, which will give you time back in your day to work on other aspects of your business while having that peace of mind that your socials are handled. So after you have your planning done, you have everything that you need, you know what you're gonna film, you have your audio links, you have your content ideas, sit down and film with no distractions and just get it done. Moving into the filming phase, we're going to talk about efficiency in filming. I know sometimes that one reel can take you an hour to get right, but here are a couple tips to cut down your production time and still get that perfect shot. There are a couple different types of reels that are low energy that you can definitely create in 10 minutes, such as lip syncing reels, which are always super fun to watch and super easy to tweak to your niche. I recommend practicing before you press record. Set the timer in the reels feature and practice mouthing the words. I recommend doing it up to 3 times just so you know exactly what to expect and the timing of the words, because seeing people's lip sync videos a little bit off is very distracting, so definitely practice. Going hand in hand, I also recommend not worrying about having the perfect reel. Yes, your lip syncing does have to be pretty on point, which is super easy to do, but don't worry about looking perfect or making sure that everything goes perfectly. Authenticity is important. One thing about short form video is that we love seeing the raw versions of people, and your personality will definitely resonate with people, so don't worry about being perfect. Tip number 2 on efficiency for filming: don't worry about having a different background every single time you film. People don't care. We all understand that most of this happens at home. Nobody has a full studio that they can switch backdrops every single time they film a video. It's totally fine. So once you crank out that first reel, just keep going. Stay in the same place, especially if you find a place in your house that the lighting hits just right. Tip number 3 for efficiency in filming is to film and draft. If you think you got a good take, save it to your draft, and then maybe try again one more time, twice tops. Also, you need to understand that you will get better over time. If you're not used to filming reels, if you're not used to making exaggerated facial expressions when you're lip syncing, you are going to look a little bit stiff in the first couple reels that you create, but you'll eventually get the hang of it and eventually become very comfortable on camera. So basically all I'm saying is just post it. There is nothing to lose. Moving on to product-based and faceless videos. These are videos that don't include you having to sit down and film, getting ready, lip syncing, videos of objects, maybe with just your hands in it. The key to creating 10 reels in 10 minutes with this type of content is to have your content creation batch filming days and film everything. Like I said before, planning is key. Think about what B-roll shots you can get that you can use multiple times over and over to stick mini clips into different videos. Little mini clips of your product or whatever you're filming that you can add to different video concepts that you only have to film once. For example, if you have a lash business, film videos of you holding up your lashes against a really nice background, and you can use that video in many different trends. Because of the B-roll nature of the video, you can edit it however you want. And that is an editing hack for you. You should definitely have brand media for your business, such as B-roll clips of your product that you can use literally anywhere, any way that you want. So just to recap, creating 10 reels in 10 minutes. You're gonna have to plan everything beforehand, before you pick up the camera and before you press record. Save all of your audios, come up with all of your topics, figure out what you're gonna wear and where you're gonna film. And then when you do go to record, don't think too hard. Don't worry about being perfect. Draft your good takes or create B-roll footage of your products that you can reuse and recycle literally for the rest of the year. Then all you need to do is just put everything together, prep it for posting, write your captions, write your hashtags, and then go ahead and post. So that was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to hit the like button down below. It really does help my channel. If you're new here, I highly recommend subscribing if you're into business tips on socials, content creation, and work-life balance as a business owner and entrepreneur. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!